Here is your profit briefing. I'm Eleazar Bhatti for the Profit here in Lahore. The KSE-100 index has once again broken the 31,000 point psychological level. But more on this later. First, some business and economic stories that you should know. Planning, Development and Reforms Minister Makhdoom Khusroo Bakhtiar has chaired the Cabinet Committee on China-Pakistan Economic Corridor to review the progress made on multiple projects, specifically the ML1 project. The meeting was attended by Railways Minister Sheikh Rashid Ahmed, Maritime Affairs Minister Syed Ali Zaidi, Advisor to Prime Minister on Commerce Abdul Razak Daud, Planning Commission Deputy Chairman Dr. Janzeb Khan and Planning Secretary Zafar Hassan. The Planning Secretary on the occasion gave a detailed presentations to the participants on various projects under the CPEC framework, and the committee decided to commence financing decisions on the Mainline 1 project with China in order to finalize the mode and percentage of the project. The minister reiterated that the ML1 project was an important project under CPEC portfolio and that the incumbent government was committed to executing it on a fast-track basis. The National Accountability Bureau has arrested the Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan Executive Director Javed Hussain in the ongoing Park Lane reference. The Anti-Graft Bureau produced Hussain before Duty Judge Shahrukh Arjamand for obtaining his physical remand. During the hearing, NAB prosecutor Usman Masood informed the court that the suspect had facilitated the resignation of Pakistan's People's Party co-chairman Asif Zardari from two companies in 2009, when the latter was the president of the country. Masood further argued that the accused was working as registered ROC in Islamabad in 2009 and received the record of Park Lane Company. Thus, it was in the knowledge of the suspect that Zardari owned Park Lane Company, he said, adding that the suspect had allegedly hidden the information from his subordinates as well. NAB requested the court to grant a 14-day physical remand of the accused. The defense counsel, while objecting the NAB request, said that NAB has obtained the complete records of Park Lane case from the suspect. Pakistan International Airlines Chief Executive Officer Air Marshal Arshad Malik has said that the national carrier is certainly on the right track, but will need time before it can become profitable once again. Speaking at the second annual session of PIA's shareholders, Arshad Malik said that by the end of 2017, the collective earnings of the airline were nearly 91 billion rupees, while losses stood at 46.5 billion rupees. As per the media reports, the session also approved the appointments of external auditors for the financial assessments of 2017 and 2018. The CEO also said that the delay in financial assessment was caused owing to negligence of the previous administrations. Now back to our main story. Investors at the Pakistan Stock Exchange witnessed another turbulent start to the week as the indices traded in the red zone and with the KSE-100 index breaking the 31,000 level once again. Shedding 939.48 points, the KSE-100 index recorded its intraday low of 30,410.54 points, falling below the 31,000 psychological mark. The index ended lower by 829.42 points, or 2.72% at 30,520.60 points. The KMI 30 index declined by 1,945.04 points, or 3.90% to settle at 47,931.04 points, while the KSE All-Share Index fell by 408.48 points, closing at 22,532.01 points. Moreover, despite the 9% bull run in the market, the foreign investors closed the previous week as net sellers with a net outflow of $4.97 million. Meanwhile, investors withdrew 65 billion rupees out of the total stock of 259 billion rupees investment from the Central Directorate of National Savings (CDNS) following the government's decision to discontinue the 40,000 rupee prize bond. This is your profit briefing. Thank you for joining us on the show today. For all the latest business, economic and financial news, visit www.profit.com.pk. This is Eleazar Bhatti for The Profit here in Lahore.